We're doing down prep, small lowers.
Yeah, we're talking about spine.
Wow, that's nice. Fresh blood.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm Kenny.
Delilah.
Aerial workshop at Apex Movement. Check out apexmovement.com, please. Recap. So, let's go over just landing place over for the hourglass, or what is also known as the side flip, which you can see a version of. So landing place, smaller. Alright, so we're going to talk about dancing in. So we're going to go rock, step, down. Alright, notice the position here. Let's change angles slightly. So we have a rock, step, down. So make note, perpendicular for the most part, right elbow hip connected. Look at Delilah's arms. Hand, thumb down, above the left knee and above it.
I am driving through and stepping through so that when we do it, I can start driving before we're connected. I'm going rock, step, step, drive. And then this one meets the other one. Other thing is just making sure that you have some engagement and upwards movement, downwards movement to keep your chest up when we go over so you don't drop down.
Up prep.
Up prep. Sorry about your face.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So, spotting this. We're going to pretend I'm the spotter. Delilah's a flyer. In this case, I'm going to make sure fingers down the collarbone, thumb here so I can flip into support and take my partner's weight. All right. This is a pretty connected aerial. Landing in place again, and then doing the full thing after that.
Landing in place.
Yeah, landing in place. Okay. You'll notice for the landing place, I have to taper the throw and then just absorb my partner's weight right there. Throw?
Yep.
Cool. Yeah. And there comes a point, and again, this is developing air sense, where I can let go sooner because Delilah has the landing. We can catch here, maybe catch here if you're really good. All right. Roll up. Full thing. Roll up, which I also learned was termed the front handspring flip from Whitey's Lily Hoppers. Go. Alright. So, down prep. I'm going to make sure that my feet land parallel so my partner knows where to shoot the hands.
I shoot past, goal is here, don't necessarily make it, and then as I go in, I still keep my crease and active here. Even once I'm picked up, there's no opening.
Okay, so I'm making sure that seamless hands. I'm also trying to flyer, base, trying to skim over the top right there. Solar plexus, so where their pant line lands. Down prep. All right, and I should be able to see my hands when we do that. So roll. We can pause here. Notice that the butt is down, so we're not going to throw too high.
My knees are bent.
Hands let down, symmetrical. We hug. And now we have our jump landing practice.
Oh yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Jump on you.
Woo! All right. First saw this from Kevin Summeron and Joe Hofberg, just throwing names out so we move them up. And then we see if we have the pop. If everything's feeling good, we try to throw the pop, which is this cascading effect of lifting with the legs, thrusting with the hips, abdominals engaged, chest, arms, pop off the rib cage.
And I just stay engaged and in my position, not opening my crease until we're seeing the whites of our eyes. When the pop happens, that's when I can allow myself to open up, not before the pop. Going?
Going.
Okay.
Cool. Caveat with the hands. I'm a one-arm grabber. It's just what I do. Plus, I'm older now. I need a little support right there. Back to back. All right. Or over the back, as termed by Frankie Manning and Freddie Washington, two amazing black Lily Hoppers. Going. Dancing. Cool. All right. So, dancing into it. So the rhythm is rock, step, down, ba, ba, ba. Cool. One more time. All right. You'll notice that Delilah and I have slightly different rhythm.
Yeah,
Which is
that's
cool.
So yeah, just watch.
Whatever. All right. So Delilah is pretty much upright. I'm making sure that I'm underneath her butt, and I want to make sure that she can be upright. Some leaders, when they connect, tend to pull forward. We do not want that.
I can't flip that way. I can't engage myself.
All right. So rotate with me. My arms are up. Delilah's are out, so they can easily roll out and slip out. Since some folks had that problem right there, so now up to the back.
Yeah.
Upright.
Yeah.
Right? Nice and solid. So, again, talking about sputters. So if Delilah is facing that way and going to be rolling that way, I'm going to have thumb on the collarbone, fingers down the back so I can flip it to support. If I need to, I can hold this hand so that if Delilah doesn't back roll the partner's back, I can flip it to support and then hold on to help keep my partner's head above. All right?
Worst case, always know the trunk is the easiest to grab if things are going wrong. Come in and just big old hug.
And then make sure your arms are unraveling. If you hold on too tight, accidents can happen. All right, going over again. Real over. Cool. Sweet. Woo. And combo would be back to back into the roll. You want to try it?
Yeah, definitely. Okay,
Back to back.
Yeah.
Hey!
There's a lot of motion.
Okay. Next up. I feel like I'm blanking out. I know there's the biggest in there. Did we do another one in between there?
No. Did
Vegas
we?
flip.
No.
All right. Ready?
Okay, going.
Going.
Going. Yeah.
Vegas. All right. So you want the dance into it entrance, left to left, rock step, roll in, come across. And Delilah has to help by kind of squaring up, cutting off around momentum.
I really have to think about, like Kenny saying, I spot, and I try to make sure that I'm ending flat to this wall, because it is easy to keep rotating, and then you get a weird wonky flip.
All right, so leader's faces right butt cheek in front of your pelvis, partner's pelvis. You want to make sure you're down, and if you need to like do different things with your back to make sure that your partner gets a stack, just do it. Upright.
Yeah, upright. That's okay.
That's it. Lift with the legs. Have some booty pop.
I have engagement with my left hand going down, just to keep myself up, and then as I plank, I'm engaging with my right hand on his right leg. And the goal here is to plank and engage very quickly, and then drag my heels over when I want to go over. The other thing to think about is trying to walk out of a front flip if you need help with that. By the way, even if it's a small arm, you can hook. So if you get past here, you're good.
All right. Let's talk about spotting. All right. Thumb down, fingers down the collarbone so you can flip it to support. Keep in mind the flyer is going to be using this off the leader's leg, but it will free up. So as they're flipping, you can then come in front, kind of, if there's excess momentum, or you can help stand them up by catching this arm and getting them there. All right. Vegas? Just standard.
Standard.
Going?
Yep.
Anything else you want to show? All right, sweet. Thank you all for your time.